in the woods where the mysteries grow, there is a place where nobody goes. And if you decide to go there alone, beware of the beast that makes it his home. The legends all say that a creature lives there, with gigantic feet all covered in hair. And those who have seen it just run away scared. It looks like a man that's been crossed with a bear. Deep in the unknown, far away from home, something strange just can't be explained. Be careful where you roam. Late in the night I was on my way home, when something told me that I was not alone. Suddenly there I was caught by surprise. The beast had appeared right before my two eyes. In front of me there was a ginormous shape. It stood like a man, but it looked like an ape. Looking back now I get a terrible fright. I saw the monster in the moonlight.